This is for tonight's homework, which is in the workbook on page 64 and 65. Today we covered fractions and converting mixed numbers. First of all, with fractions, we had proper fractions. A proper fraction is when your numerator, the number on top, is smaller than the denominator. So a proper fraction is going to be less than 1. So 4/7 is only part of something. So 4 would be a part that you have, and 7 would be the number to make a whole one. So this is the part, and this is the number in one whole one. So in order to have a whole, you would need 7 out of the 7 parts. So that's proper. Then we also have improper. That is when you have a number on top that is going to be greater than the bottom number. So this is more than 1, because 9/8 would be 8/8, which would make 1, and then you would have an extra 8 to make 9/8. So that's greater than 1. Also, if you have something such as 7/7, that's equal to 1. So that's also considered improper, because this would be changed to a mixed number, and this one here would be changed to a whole number, where 4/7 could be reduced. But even if 4/7 were reduced, if it were one that could be reduced, it still is going to be a fraction and not a mixed number or a whole number. So that's going to be proper and improper. So once again, the way that you're going to tell is if your numerator is smaller. So for instance, 7/8, this is the first one of 5. This one is less than a pound. But when you have 9/7, that one is greater than a pound, because 7/7 equal 1. One of the main concepts that students will be using is the fact that a fraction is a division problem. So 7/8 here would be 7 divided by 8. Okay? 9/7 here is going to be 9 divided by 7. So your divisor inside is always going to be your numerator, and your dividend inside is your numerator, and your divisor outside is going to be your denominator. Now, for the homework, students need to, especially on page 65, number 8A, it says express as a mixed number in its lowest terms. So for 8A, they have 13/3. Two ways we can do this. One, we can put the numerator in here, the denominator out here. Our quotient will be our whole number, and then we write a remainder as the numerator of a fraction, and then